What's the meaning of amateurish? Amateurish. 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 Amateurish.
The term amateurish typically describes something that lacks the skill, polish, or expertise of a professional. It often refers to something that appears clumsy, unrefined, or poorly executed. When we describe something as amateurish, we generally mean that it falls short of the high standards or expectations that we would associate with a more skilled or experienced individual or organization. Such a description might apply to anything from a low-quality painting or a poorly written novel to a shoddy construction job or a badly organized event.